going on, everybody? Jacob here at SDR Motorsports. Today we're going to be going over the install of our Maverick R grills. Alright, first things first, you're going to go ahead and grab yourself T30 Torx and remove the 2 bolts at the bottom of the grill. And set those aside because you are going to reuse them. And then the only other thing attaching the grill is 2 push-in clips, one here and one here. So reach through the grill, grab yourself a firm grip, then pull straight out on both sides. And remove it. So once you've got that factory grill off, you're going to go ahead and need to remove 2 of those push clips. And once those are removed, we'll go ahead and slide them over these tabs on the grill here. Give them a good squeeze, and then once those are on there, you're ready to go ahead and install the grill in the car. Alright, so back down here at the car, we've got those clips installed and our grill all tightened together here, so you'll go ahead and set it in there the same way that you removed the stock one. Just make sure you line up those clips, give it a good push. And once you hear those pop in, you'll go ahead and reinstall the T30 screws in the bottom.